Here we have a nice little 2003 Ford Ranger pickup. It's standard, fairly clean. It's been pulled behind a motorhome most of its life. It's got 176,000 or so miles on it, but it's a decent little truck, fairly clean. I'm gonna let Melissa crank it up for us, and we'll see what it sounds like. We're gonna check out the radio, see if it's got working radio.
This is family owned, and they serve Tyler,
Yeah.
Kilgore, Longview,
Yes,
and the
sir.
surrounding communities. They're online.
Okay.
TylerRid.com. Rid Express.
AC, all right. You have the brake on?
I do.
Brakes on. Take it off long enough. Let's just. The parking brake. You got the parking brake on? Take it off the parking brake. It's got a light on the dash. I just want to make sure it goes out.
Sorry.
Okay. Inside's fairly nice.
A little console.
Yeah.
Oh, you got a remote for your Kenwood
Remote for the
stereo.
radio. All right. And this one's rigged up for towing if you wanted to do that. Towing behind the motorhome. Nice little truck, 2003 Ford Ranger pickup.